Hello guys, my name is Andrei, I'm owner of Original Knives, and today we're gonna open the mini Suncraft Elegancia 150 millimeters. We're gonna do a small test on the paper just to show you how it's sharp and how the knife is looking. So we're opening the knife, you got some instruction in each knife of Suncraft. A paper which will show you how to sharpen the knives correctly, how to maintain, and basic information how it's made and where it's made. So, all right. So then we're going to the knife. That's how it looks packed. That is the package, original package, just black. So this is the Suncraft Elegancia Petty, 150 millimeters. Has a nice brass bolster, which in a time probably gonna get dark after many years, which is gonna give you actually nice memories about the work you have done with this knife. Then also it's a beautiful handle, walnut handle, looks very expensive, very nice feeling, to be honest, very nice polished, and I guess use some luck or something, but feels very good. So as you can see, the handle is a little bit lifted. So that's made especially for the people who have bigger arms, so when they're cutting they doesn't beat the fingers onto the board. Alright, the steel is over here is SG2 powder steel, which is for now at the moment counting as one of the best steels. It's very hard steel. The Ash RC is about 63 points, so this is very hard. Yeah, high class product, one of the most selling in Norway, and now I'm just gonna show you how does it cut. Simple, very simple and easy. It can take any task, starting from vegetables to meat, fish, basically anything you want. Keep the sharpness for a really long time, very comfortable, and just good looking knife, that's for sure. So have your choice, make your choice at the Original Knives. We still have some knives from the Suncraft Elegancia in stock, but soon they're gonna be finished, so we need to order some more. So waiting for the new orders, and thank you for the review. Have a good day, bye bye.